Hello and good morning to all my faculty members and friends. I am Alam Khan. I am here to present you all my major project presentation, which is on design and installation of braking system of two-seater e-car, which is made under the guidance of Professor Pawan Kumar Yadav and Professor Sanjay Chalotre and Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sistrek Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. This presentation is presented by me, Alham Khan, my teammates Loken Baheshwar, Kartik Thakur, Mazhar Ali and Virendra Mewada. The content of this presentation include introduction, literature review, objective, the proposed methodology, classification of braking system, implementation of these braking system, finding for future work and references. Here in this introduction, as you all know that an object remains in its state of rest or in motion until and unless an external force is acted, this is the law of motion given by Sir Isaac Newton. It give rise to the development of braking system in an automobile. Developing an automobile not only required the power source but any way to efficiently stopping it, or as we say, for braking system. As higher the horsepower, higher will be the braking force required to stop or deaccelerate that vehicle. This thought gave rise to many researches in the field of braking and result in its evolution, due to which today we have flexibility in choosing a suitable system according to our need. Here are some 3D renders of our e-car vehicle, which we develop in the early stages, and here are these car dimensions. The overall length of the vehicle will be 1980 mm, the overall width will be 1200 mm, the ground clearance was 160 mm, the wheelbase was 1370 millimeter, the total curb weight of the vehicle was 180 kg and the total gross weight was 350 kg. Here the literature reviews. We have gone through many research papers and some of them are here for you. The first one was from Ramesha DK, which was published in April 2012. It is on the temperature distribution analysis of aluminium composite and cast iron brake drum using ANSYS. The second one was from Meenakshi Kaushal and Suman Sharma, published in July-August 2014. And the third one was from Kang and Cho, published in the year 2012, which gives a study of ventilator brakes. The objective will be presented by my teammates Kartik Thakur. Kartik, over to you.
Hello, my name is Kartik Thakur. I am presenting the objectives to create a fast and compact vehicle which can be adapted as per the usage of the operator. The compact design of the vehicle is to reduce the traffic in space, concentration, place. We made this vehicle to serve luxurious of a car with affordable cost of bike. Due to closed body skeleton, this vehicle will be helpful for protecting the driver from dust. Balancing of the vehicle is not required to this design of vehicle, so it is more stable than two-wheelers. The main innovation in this project is we have replaced the differential by a suspension balancing mechanisms so that our vehicles can be turned around without the differentials. Next, proposed methodology. Basic principle of braking system. The conversion of kinetic energy into heat energy is a function of frictional force generated by the frictional contact between brake shoes and moving drum of disc of a braking system. Next, we are presenting need of braking system. In an automobile vehicle, braking system is needed to stop the moving vehicle, to deaccelerate the moving vehicle, for stable parking of a vehicle either on a flat surface or on a slope, as a precaution for accidents, to prevent the vehicle from any damage due to road conditions. Next, classifications of braking system on the basis of power source, on the basis of frictional braking contact, on the basis of application, on the basis of brake force distribution. Next, on the basis of power source, the power source which carries the pedal force applied by the driver on brake pedal to the final brake drum or brake disc in order to deaccelerate or stop the vehicle. The braking system are of 6 types: mechanical braking system, hydraulic braking system, vacuum braking system, magnetic braking system, electric braking system, and air or pneumatic system.
Hello everyone, I am Lokendra Bhaishwar and I am presenting the classification on the basis of frictional braking contact. On the basis of the final friction contact made between the rotating brake components, that is brake drum or disc rotor, and the brake shoe, the braking system are of two types: internal expanding brake and external contracting brake. The diagram for these two are given here. So on the basis of application, these are classified on two types, which is on foot or service brake, and second is hand or parking brake. So first, foot or service brake. It is a type of brake in which the brakes are applied when the driver passes the brake pedal mounted inside the cockpit or at the foot space of the vehicle with its foot. Second is the hand or parking brake. This type of brake are known as emergency brake and they are independent of the main service brake. Hand brake consists of hand operated brake lever. The third classification on the basis of brake force distribution. These are further classified into two types, which is single acting brakes and dual acting brakes. Single acting brake is the type of braking in which brake force is transferred to either a pair of wheels in cars or to the single wheel in bikes through single actuation mechanism, mechanical linkage or master cylinder. This type of brake system is commonly used in bikes or in light purpose vehicles. Dual acting brake. It is the type of braking in which the brake force is transferred to all the wheels of the vehicle through dual actuation mechanism, tandem master cylinder or mechanical linkage. This type of braking system is used in cars as well as in heavy purpose vehicle. Another classification is the drum brakes or internal expanding brakes. It is a type of brake in which a drum, which is the housing of the brake shoe along with actuation mechanism, is attached with the wheel hub in such a way that the outer part of the drum rotates with the wheel and inner part remains constant. When brake are applied, the actuation mechanism, that is wheel cylinder or mechanical linkage, causes the brake shoe to expand due to which the outer friction surface of the brake shoe makes frictional contact with the rotating drum part, which in turn stop or deaccelerate the vehicle. The diagram for this drum brake is shown in the figure. The implementation, we are implementing drum brake for our three-wheeler e-vehicle because of ease of maintenance and availability. We have used drum brake in e-car project. Further presentation is presented by Virendra Mewala.
My name is Virendra Mewada. By presenting working of drum brakes. Drum brake work on the same principle as the disc brakes. Shoes press against two rotating surface. In this system, that surface is called a drum brake. Drum brake also in addition mechanism and emergency brake mechanism and lots of spring. The shoes are pulled away from the drum brake by the spring when the brake air released. Advantage of drum brakes: less expensive to produce, slightly lower frequency of maintenance due to better correction resistance compared to disc. Built-in self-emerging effect require less input force such as hydraulic pressure. Wheel cylinders are somewhat simple and compared to caliper. Minor weight saving primarily from much similar and lighter hydraulic cylinder as caliper. Disadvantage of drum brakes: they are less efficient, stopping distance is more, make noise is running season and are less effective. They add up to a total weight of wheel. These have heating issue which result in less frequency in brake shoes and drum brakes.
Findings for future work. On the basis of our research and previous findings, we are going to produce the e-car and analyze the performance factor using drum brake system in it. References. We have taken many references from the different journals and papers. So here it is, which is the Internal Journal of Innovative Research and Science, Engineering and Technology. A high impact factor monthly peer reviewed journal, there is a link, and the design and analysis of drum brake. There are many members which have given here. And thank you so much for viewing this presentation so far.